In this tutorial, you will learn how to buy Shiba Inu coin using MoonPay. By following these steps, you will be able to complete your purchase efficiently and securely. Begin by navigating to the MoonPay website. You can do this by entering the URL into your web browser. Once the page loads, you will see the MoonPay interface, which provides options for buying and selling various cryptocurrencies. Next, locate and click on the button labeled Buy. This button is typically found prominently on the home page. After clicking, you will be redirected to the section where you can purchase cryptocurrency. After that, select the option labeled Buy Crypto. This will take you to a new screen where you can choose from different cryptocurrencies available for purchase. Once this appears, click on the button that says Select Asset. This action will lead you to a list of available cryptocurrencies that you can buy using MoonPay. At this point, click on the section labeled Popular Tokens. This section will display a variety of cryptocurrency that are currently trending and frequently purchased. Next, locate and click on the search icon. This will allow you to enter the name of the cryptocurrency you wish to buy. Now type in Shiba Inu in the search bar. This step is crucial as it filters the results to show only Shiba Inu coin. Once you see the option for Shiba Inu, click on it. This will select Shiba Inu as the cryptocurrency you want to purchase. Next, type in the amount of Shiba Inu coin you wish to buy. Ensure that you enter a valid amount that you are comfortable purchasing. After entering the amount, click on the button labeled Continuous Shiba Inu. This will take you to the confirmation page for your order. Then click on Confirm Order. This action is necessary to proceed with your purchase and review the details before finalizing. After confirming, click on the button that says Buy. This will initiate the transaction process for your purchase. Next, click on the option labeled Pay With. This will present you with various payment methods available for your transaction. You will see a message asking you to choose how to pay. At this point, select your preferred payment method from the options provided. Click on Apple Pay if you wish to use that method. If you prefer another payment option, feel free to choose it accordingly. You can also select debit card as a payment option. This will allow you to use your debit card for the transaction. Additionally, you may choose credit card if that is your preferred method of payment. Ensure that your card details are ready for entry. After selecting a payment method, you will see a message indicating the total amount to pay. Verify that this amount is correct before proceeding. Next, click on Deliver To. This step allows you to specify where you want your Shiba Inu coins delivered. Finally, click on Pay. This will complete your transaction and you should receive a confirmation of your purchase shortly after. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.